In honor of the 4th of July and America and fun stuff, we are going to fly my old 502S drone up in the air, and we are going to shoot at it with Roman candles, yes. And I'm going to film it with my Mavic Air. And I have marksman number 1, Aaron, marksman number 2, Adam, and marksman number 3, Josh.
Get it, man. Oh, yeah.
Let's do this.
Whoa, that thing, light him up. Oh, honey, move it towards, or away from the trees. Whoa, move it away from the trees.
Charlie, over here.
I don't see it. Oh. Russ, move it back over this way.
Where is it?
Doesn't know where it's at.
Where is it?
Whoa, it's right there. Like, you have no control over this thing.
Not letting me control it very well. Because I got rolling.
Why was it so everywhere, honey?
Oh, because the moment I got it up in the air, it went down to like two satellites, so I had zero control over
Oh
it.
my god. Well, you have control over it now.
Oh, watch out, Ashley!
Jeez. You guys are throwing crap at me.
And here is the carnage from a farther away shot with the drone.